This Outlaw catback exhaust kit is constructed from 409S stainless steel. The system is supported from the factory hanger locations for an easy and hassle-free installation that can be done right at home. So if you're looking for horsepower and torque gains with an aggressive exterior and interior sound level without voiding emissions or voiding your factory warranty, then this system is for you. Be sure to subscribe to our Flowmaster YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.